Right, so just going to make this quick video to show you how to fix stuck telnet sessions in PNET labs. You could probably do the same in eVeg as well. So you can see here I've got a switch that's powered on. If I try and go into it, see it doesn't work and it shows the IP address of the PNET Labs server instead. And this happens because it appears that there's a stale session. So what you need to do is you need to find the sessions that are stale, and then you need to kill those sessions in order to fix the issue. Destroying the lab doesn't seem to fix the problem, and this avoids you having to reboot the box. So if you hover over the device that's got a stuck session, you'll see the port is 30011. So what I need to do is log on to the PNET Labs box, and I had the same problem with this switch here as well, which was on this port, and I managed to kill the sessions and fix the problem. So first thing we do is we do a netstat, and you grep out the destination port. So the destination port 30011. This shows these TCP sessions here that are open that go back to my PC and on these destination ports. So we use this command. I put all the commands in the description. So we use ss kill destination, the destination IP address, which is here 10.11.43, and then the destination port, which is 5700. And then right there, it shows you which sessions it kills. 700, 52007. Now, if I list the netstat sessions with that port, you can see that they no longer show up, and now you can see the device has gone offline. Now, I'll start the device back up, and this should now fix the problem. There you go. And I'll do the same for this one. As before. And now we have the issue fixed. So this clears the stuck telnet sessions.